Hello, Stardust Explorers. Hey, good to see you all. So today, with the Astro-Princess, my name is Adejeyi. Actually, I'm excited to bring you wholesome content on astronomy, physics, everything about the universe using scientific concepts. So if you have those asking questions about your environment, why things behave the way they are, now this is your channel. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, share the channel to everyone you know that will be interested as well. Alright, so today, like I promised in my last video, I said that I was going to explain why we see the stars or some objects in the sky twinkle. Okay, so the short answer is that they twinkle because of our atmosphere. So let's get into the more detail of this. Right, so why do the atmosphere cause the objects in the sky to twinkle? So first of all, our atmosphere, like I mentioned in the last video, are made up of some components, some molecules, some particles. We know some of them already from the school. They taught you about oxygen being in our atmosphere, nitrogen, and some other gases, carbon, and the rest of them. Okay, so these materials, these molecules exist in different densities, in different layers, and we have various temperatures at different times. So there is a temperature variation going on over there, there's density variations going on at the same time. So this is what causes the bending of the light coming from the outer space into the earth through the atmosphere. So any light that is going to enter our earth have to pass through this atmosphere, and they get distorted in some way. So for the stars, they do experience this distortion, which we actually call scintillation. So the scintillation of the light by the atmosphere causes the twinkling effect you see, right? So I want to talk about why do some objects look like twinkling and some are not twinkling. So let's get into it. So the stars are quite far away from us. They are so far, in fact, the closest star to us, it will take light from them 4 years plus to get to us. That's how far away it is. Okay. Now, for an object like that, it will look so small to your eye, and this is what we see when you look up the sky. They all look like dots, points, sources, right? But this can be really big when they get close to us. So because they are far away, they look like points, sources, they are small, and they have to travel all the way to get to us. So because of that, the light coming from there gets bent a lot when it gets to the atmosphere. Now that bending makes it look like some zigzag movement, but before it gets to your eye, what you see is that it's twinkling. That's really the effect of that zigzag movement, which is caused by the bending of the light by the atmosphere. Whereas when you see some other objects like the planets, which is one of the things that are close to us in our solar system. So the planets in the solar system are closest to us. So when we see some of those like Venus, I'm sure some of you have seen Venus. It's easy to see that. Typical night sky is also easy to see Saturn. Yeah, we see Jupiter a lot. So some of those ones, you notice that they are not exactly point-like, they are some sort of like disc. So if you see light from there, it's not going to be exactly point light like the star. So this is the trick. So the light coming from there is not traveling so far away to get to us. It's close. So it will not undergo much distortion like the one coming from far away. So in fact, along the lines, their refraction effect, their bending effect will cancel each other until we don't see it twinkling that much. In fact, it's negligible, and that is why they seem to be steady even in the night sky. So there are other objects that are close to us that will look like that. For example, the International Space Station, the ISS, when you look up there, it's not usually twinkling. And this is one of the satellites, in space where there are actually human beings in there. maybe what they will talk about the ISS. But yeah, so that's it. The planets do not twinkle, and that's because they are close to us, while the stars twinkle because they are far away. And the atmosphere is the reason for the twinkling effect. Okay, so I will mention a caveat that sometimes the planets twinkle when they are down the horizon. So if they are down the horizon, it means they are going to pass through many layers of the atmosphere to get to us. And what that does is that they will undergo a lot of distortion. So you could see a planet twinkling, but however, when they are overhead, up there in the horizon, they will pass through as normal atmospheric layers to get to us, and so it will not have to twinkle. And so there you have it. I hope this was clear and understandable. Let me know if you have any question. Use the comment section, ask me if you do have questions, and I would like to let you know that if you leave the earth, if you, let's say you go to space, for example, where you are not interrupted by the atmosphere of the earth, all of these things are actually steady. The earth is steady, sorry, the planets are steady, the stars are steady. There is no twinkling effect at all. Alright, so I will see you in our next video. Do not forget to subscribe, share this video, like the video as well, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.